Okay, I bet you could tell what I've been doing. The wife and I. This is we started all this in the basement, and finally transplanted it to bring it out here. We got it all set up. You can see there's a small little greenhouse thing we kind of made there to keep them warm at night. Works really well. But you can see down here is I'll let you know we got some collar. These are called collar, and then we got some kale right here. All the little cups are beefsteak tomatoes. I just transplanted about 2 trays of these. And you can see they're in the window and just about everywhere, so they're doing really well so far. Got our fingers crossed. Got some cabbage over here. Yep, we sure like our cabbage. And then if we walk into this little room I built, you can see it's got some shelving in there. I got another set of shelving over here. And this is what I like. I love doing this kind of stuff. And let me take you up to the little prize winner I have up here. And right there, I already have a cherry. It's called a black cherry tomato. It's already, it looks good. Looks real good. Okay, come back down here. And you can see, of course, we got some blossoms started. These are all brandy wines. The top where I showed you with that little tomato, now those are called black cherry tomatoes. They're really, really good. And then, okay, I hope you guys can see this because, you know, it seems like it's fading in and out a little bit because of the sun. Come down here, we have some green peppers. Now, these are bell peppers, and these are called King Northern. These are really good pepper. We had really good luck with it. They're a heavy producer. Same as the tomato plants. Like these tomato plants, these are all brandy wine. Well, the big ones back here with the big leaves on it are brandy wines. Okay, and they'll grow real big, delicious tomato. Of course, I put potatoes out too. That was on my mind. But these are the black cherry tomatoes too. And then you come down. Let's see. Okay, got some more plants here. Okay, got some, there's some pepper plants here, and over here I got some banana peppers. There's some more down here at the bottom. 2 different types. They're kind of mixed together a little bit. We know what they are, but this is what we've been doing. Like I said, I started these in the basement, so we're ahead of ourselves, so we're getting ready to plant. And I hope everybody else is enjoying the nice weather we've had the last couple weeks, and I'm hoping it straightens up just enough I can go ahead and get these plants in the ground. I'm still waiting to see. They said the weather might change. It might get a little bit colder. And I'm going to give it another week or so, closer to, you know, about the end of the month. But you can see what I've been doing, my wife and I. So there you go. I hope everybody's getting ready for that summer planting. I get kind of excited to do that. I really, really enjoy doing it. All right, thanks for watching.